In this video, we are going to learn about the second topic the second property of rational numbers. This property is called commutativity. So under this, first we'll see whether the property holds true for the operation of addition. If you have already learned commutativity property for whole numbers and integers. So it says that if you have for integers, you have seen that if you have two integers a and b, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. So the order in which you take the integer doesn't make difference. So that is what the property says. Now let us see if this property holds true for rational numbers. Okay, so you take a as minus 3 upon 2 and b as 5 upon 7. So you get a plus b is equal to minus 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 7, and the LCM here is 14. So you get minus 21 plus 10 the whole upon 14, and this is equal to minus 11 upon 14. Now we will take b plus a. So when I take b plus a, b is 5 upon 7 and a is minus 3 upon 2. So since plus into minus is minus, I'll get 5 upon 7 minus 3 upon 2, and this is equal to, again LCM is 14, so this is equal to 10 minus 21 upon 14, and this is minus 11 upon 14. So you see that a plus b is also minus 11 upon 14 and b plus a is also minus 11 upon 14. Therefore you can conclude that a plus b is equal to b plus a. So addition is commutative for rational numbers, or rational numbers are commutative under the operation of addition. Now we'll see whether this property holds true for subtraction. So you take a is equal to 2 upon 3 and b as 5 upon 8. So if the property holds true, then a minus b should be equal to b minus a. So let us see whether this property holds true. So a minus b will be 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 8, and the LCM here is 24. So you get 16 minus 15 upon 24, and this is 1 upon 24. Now let us see what we get for b minus a. b minus a is equal to, b is 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8 minus 2 upon 3. Again LCM is 24. So you get 15 minus 16 upon 24, and the answer here is minus 1 upon 24. So here you see a minus b is 1 upon 24 and b minus a is minus 1 upon 24. So these two are not equal. So you get a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Means what? The commutative property does not hold true for rational numbers under subtraction. So the rational numbers are not commutative under the operation of subtraction. Next, we will check whether commutativity holds true for multiplication. Now I am taking a is equal to 5 upon 9 and b as minus 2 upon 7. So here you should get a multiplied by b is equal to b multiplied by a. So when I take a multiplied by b, I get 5 upon 9 multiplied by minus 2 upon 7. So 5 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 10 upon 7 nines are 63. So when I multiply b into a, I get minus 2 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 9. This is equal to minus 10 upon 63. So you see a into b is equal to b into a, correct? That means the commutativity property holds true for rational numbers under the operation of multiplication. Okay, so rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Now let us see if this property holds true for division. Okay, here I am taking a as minus 2 upon 3 and b as a rational number 7 upon 9. So if the property holds true, I should get, when I divide a divided by b, should be equal to b divided by a. Okay, that is a upon b should be equal to b upon a. Now a upon b is minus 2 upon 3 upon 7 upon 9. As I told you before, when I am taking a divided by b, it will be same as a multiplied by reciprocal of b, correct? So I can directly write a upon b as minus 2 upon 3, and what is the reciprocal of 7 upon 9? 9 upon 7. So when I take multiplication sign from division, it will be reciprocal. Okay, so this is, you can cancel these terms because the sign is multiplication here. Then I get here minus 2 into 3, 6 upon 7. Now let us see what we get when you divide b by a. Okay, so again I told you your b is 7 upon 9. So when you are writing it in terms of multiplication, this will become reciprocal because a is in the denominator now. So minus 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon minus 2, reciprocal of a, because a is in the denominator. So if you find it difficult like that, you can write it down 7 upon 9 upon minus 2 upon 3. So this will go on top here. So say this will be 7 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon minus 2. So again you can cancel this and you get 7 upon minus 6. Okay, if you see here, a divided by b is minus 6 upon 7 and b divided by a is minus 7 upon 6. So these two are not equal. Okay, so a upon b is not equal to b upon a. So what can you conclude from this? From this you can conclude that rational numbers are not commutative under the operation of division. So for commutativity, you saw that your rational numbers are not commutative for subtraction and division, and they are commutative for addition and multiplication.